Welcome to Cooking with Zach. Today we're going to be making fresh baked bread. It only takes 1 ingredient and only takes 1 minute to prepare. And all you have to do is mix all the ingredients in a bowl. And now first we're going to put 3.5 cups of flour first. Okay, that's 3.5 cups.
Now we're gonna put in the water.
And 1.
1 3/4 cup.
The water is gonna happen.
Ooh, it looks like a mixture now.
Ooh.
And now we're going to put in 1 tall teaspoon of salt. And now we're going to put in the yeast. It's the last ingredient, but just a little tiny bit. And now we just have to mix it. You just gotta mix it for a minute and until all the flour sticks together. That already looks like bread. I have to be honest, it does. And now we just have to seal it up. If I can seal it. And leave it in the room temperature for 18 hours. Okay guys, it's been 18 hours. Let's check it out.
Wow, look at all this. Look how much there is.
Okay, before we put it on the pan, let's turn on the oven. Come on guys. All right guys, make sure to preheat the oven to 410 degrees. And then put the pan of water in the oven. And now we're going to preheat our baking pan. Before you put the dough on, put some flour on the table so it doesn't stick. And I'm also going to get some on my hands so it doesn't stick to me. Okay, I'm going to get it out. Now we're going to fold it, but it won't be too much work because you only have to fold it a few times. Okay, one more time. Perfect. Okay guys, before I put it in the oven, I'm gonna make 2 little cuts. And it's very light and fluffy, so make sure to be a little gentle. Okay.
Can I try?
Yes, in just a minute.
Just a little bit, but make sure to trace mine. For 1 hour, but make sure to check on it after 15 minutes, not 15, 50.
Yep, and the oven is gonna get to 410 degrees.
All right, guys, it's been 55 minutes. It's time to get it out. Okay. It's hot.
I know.
Oh. It feels heavier than before.
I know, because it's big. Oh my gosh. Oh,
It looks so good. It smells so good. And now it's time to taste. The best part of making food, you get to taste it. I'm eating it with a little bit of butter. 3, 2, 1. Mmm. So chewy and delicious. Mmm. So good. It was worth every single second that it took to make it. Anyway, see you next time. Bye. And also make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Peace out.